Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D practice drawing model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We are going to take the XY plane. So this will be the front view plane. Here take the circle command. We'll start from the center point, the 0 point. Here take a diameter of 80 mm. Okay. Zoom out. Make one circle here of diameter 50 and from same center make another circle of diameter 23. Okay. Now we are going to make the joining profiles. Define this dimension. Go to dimension. Define this distance from the base as 95 mm. Okay. And here escape. Now go to the line command. Make a straight line here. Okay. So we will pass this line till here and join till here. Okay. Similarly, we are going to make one line here, here and here. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point and select this point. Now you can see this is color is changed to blue. Go to dimension. Here define this height as 12 mm. Okay. Now we are going to define the width. Select the center point, select this point. Define this dimension here as 179 mm. Okay. Now here escape. Drag this circle profile. Go to line command. Make a straight line passing from this till this line. Okay. And similarly make one line till this point. Go to tangent constraint. Select this circle, select this line. Okay. Select this circle, select this line. Okay. Okay, they are already tangent. Now go to dimension. Define this dimension here as 40 mm. Okay, now you can see the sketch is almost constrained. Now here select this point and select this center point. Define this dimension as 80 mm. Okay, now here go to circle command and make one more circle over here, or you can do one thing, go to offset, select this circle, drag the cursor inside, press enter and take offset of 12 mm. Okay, and escape. Go to line command, make a breaking line over here, a center line, escape, select this line, make it construction, go to trim this bottom profile, this and this. Okay. Now you can make a joining profile, go to line, make one joining profile over here and make one joining profile over here. Okay. So we have this final sketch. Now we are going to make the extrudes. Now finish sketch and here go to extrude, select this profile and select this profile. Here take symmetric extrude. The extrude dimension here will be of 100 mm and press OK. Okay, now the sketch is hidden. I want to use this same sketch to extrude all the other profiles. So click here, select sketch 1 and from here we will turn on the visibility. Okay, now take extrude once again. Now this time we are going to extrude this profile. Take symmetric extrude and this extrude will be of 130 mm. Okay, go to profile, select this also 130 mm and press OK. Okay, now we want to extrude this middle profile. So for the middle profile, go to extrude once again, select this profile. Here I want to offset from the center and start the profile from this edge. So we will change it, distance from face and select this face. Okay, now we will flip the direction and give the width of 8 mm. Okay, it will make a rib like structure over here. Now press OK. Now we are done with all the extrudes. So select sketch 1 and from here we will turn off the visibility. Now I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror, select extrude 3, go to mirror profile, go to origin, and here we are going to select the XY plane. Press OK. So we'll see the same profile over here also. Okay. Now go to the fillet command. Here we are going to take a fillet radius of 20. Go to edge selection. Now we are going to select all the corners. Select this, 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 rotate the profile, and here select this. Press OK. Go to home. Now I want a whole profiles. So go to 2D sketch. Select this face. Take the circle command, and here from the center point make a circle of diameter 15 mm. Similarly here also 15 mm, and here also a dia of 15 mm, and here also a dia of 15 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Go to extrude, select all the profiles. From here flip, so it will make a cut profile. Press OK. Now here we are going to make the this profile over here. So go to part 1. We have this profile over here. So we are going to construct this now. Okay. So for this, go to plane. We will take offset from plane. Select this face. We are going to take offset of 50 mm, and here press OK. Select this plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. Select the center point. Here make a circle of diameter 60 and one more circle of diameter 30. Now finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select this middle profile and here flip the direction, and here we are going to take 2 next. So it will extrude up to this face. Press OK. Now select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Now when we rotate this profile, you can see this is a closed profile from bottom. I want a through hole. So select this face, the top face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and project this inner circle. Finish sketch, go to extrude, flip the direction to cut, and here select cut. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Now when I rotate this profile, you can see a hollow profile. Okay. Now we are almost done with the profiles. Here go to part 1. Here we have completed all this. Now we are going to provide this radius. So go to home, go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 5 mm, go to edge selection, select all the corners. Okay, you can unselect this inner, select this, this, rotate, select this edge, select this edge, select this edge and select this inner edge. Rotate the profile. Here I think we have selected all the profiles. Now press OK. Okay. Now you can define the appearance. From here I'll take the red color. You can take any color as your wish. I've taken here the light red color. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.